Today, I'm going to share one of the trailblazing tales of my life, basically trekking through nature's wonderlands. I always wanted to find thrill in scaling snow-capped mountains and uncomfortable wilderness. So I enrolled for group winter trekking in Uttarakhand, packed my backpack with necessary gears and kicked off my journey.
It started out great.
We gathered at base camp for acclimatization and safety instruction sessions. Next day, the trek started with a steep climb along with ancient oak and deodar forest and rhododendrons. We stopped at an old tree which is said to be 1,000 years old to meditate.
Wow.
The experience was magical as I felt my mind had reached higher realms of consciousness. I hugged the tree in gratitude for giving me immense positive energy.
Can I give it a try?
A little further, the trail opened into the vast meadows and interplay of different kind of landscapes made the journey exciting. Submitting in the silence of beautiful sunrise, witnessing the golden hour sunset, gazing stars in deep darkness.
Amazing.
Every campsite I stayed, it made me feel different and new. Hot meals prepared on tiny stove to quench the ever-hungry hikers was a treat. The experience of sleeping in zipped bags in tiny tents, washing the utensils and cutlery in freezing cold temperature,
Exciting. It's so exciting.
surviving with minimal water usage, using bio toilets and keeping the trails green made me experience the minimalistic living firsthand and pushed me come out of our city comfy life.
Wow, great.
The group decided to camp at a grassland for the night. Little did we know that we will wake up in white fairy tale land.
It's a lovely view.
The change in weather made the trek even more adventurous. We need to trek knee-deep snow using micro spikes and gaiters safety equipments. It felt like doing a full-scale Himalayan alpine expedition.
Really?
In truckloads of snow. With every step, the trek kept getting difficult and challenged our physical, mental, and emotional strength.
It's just not that easy.
Finally, when we reached 12.5k feet at the summit point, magically, all pain and fatigue transformed into peace and joy.
You did it!
The magnificent view of the Himalayan peaks like Mount Nanda Devi, Mount Dronagiri, Rishi, Kamat, Chokamba, Trishul, Nilkant, also called the Club of 7,000 meters, all were in front of our eyes. We celebrated this moment with a group hug and captured this in our camera. I said quietly to observe the moment in my mind and heart. It's not the mountains we conquer, but ourselves.
It's your time. Don't be held back again.
The summit was just midway point of our trek because we had to reach the base camp, and downhill was even more tricky and slippery with an uneven surface. The return journey to base camp was even special because our mind and heart was contented. We saw quaint villages, hamlets, gushing rivers cutting through the mountains, wild animals which we missed on our way to summit.
What a wonderful shared experience!
Everyone returned safely and celebrated this moment as a team. The summit is what drove us, but when I look back now, I think it is the journey which made it more special. I reached home only to go back as I already decided my next trek plans in my head.
Live that lovely experience today.
If you enjoyed this thrill and want to know more challenging stories of my life, do write to me in comment section below.
I would love to.